Welcome back, everybody. Whoever's watching, or like the 10 people that are watching, or 5, or 2, or 1, or just me. Anyways, I got a few points that I want to share about journaling your emotions and how they can fix your executions. Point number one is the fastest way to become a competent trader is to journal, reflecting on your performance and the market structure. Obviously, specifically talking about the concepts that you use to read the market. You don't need to depend on your brain to memorize all your errors. The moment you hesitated, the moment you felt fear, impatient, and all that stuff, you can't do it. Track what you need improvement on and follow through with it consistently. Be comprehensive of that which you want to be consistently improve on, and also, or else you're just leaving it to chances, which is not a good idea. The greats also seek to understand why they made their decisions and how it affected their mental edge in the moment. Laziness in trading cannot be something you just accept. You need to understand and learn about your decision making in the moment of high stress. You need to. Journaling before the time you trade and being brutally honest with yourself about your state of mind in the moment to avoid catastrophic behavior during operation time. Journaling the week and going deeper into your overall performance. How did you approach the market? Did you follow the rules of your system? Did you miss any opportunity that was within your system, not a random big move at 2 a.m.? Every trade that you took that are the trades, are they trades that you will take with zero hesitation again and again? Did any emotional event outside of trading that affected your performance and many more? Obviously, you can ask yourself personal questions that are difficult for you to answer because these are the questions you unconsciously avoid. All mistakes are saved in your subconscious, mainly through feelings. The feeling you got from it, you still have it, still there in you. You're just unaware. If you ignore this, you will become and stay attached to the feeling that will make you sabotage your future performance. Journal it and understand it truly so you can emotionally let go of it. This is a few tips that has worked for me. I have a little notebook on my desk where I write, reminding myself of the rules, reminding me that all psychological fears are real, asking myself if I'm avoiding any truth. Example, am I over leveraged? Is my stop in the correct place? Did I chase the setup that I'm in or the trade that I'm looking to enter? What am I going to do when the retracement happens? Just keep on being aware of your feelings, thoughts, and impulsive behaviors you want to work on. When I do my initial top-down analysis, I do it twice. Once I finish and come to my first bias, I close my eyes and meditate for 5 minutes. All that I'm paying attention to is my conscience telling me if I'm forcing a bias into the market or am I being completely objective of what the market is showing me. Am I feeling desperate, fearful, tired, etc.? Using Trade I have a playbook and specific data I track for price action purposes. For example, I track the daily profile development, the entry time frame I rate my personal performance from 1 to 5, the price action of the day, mistakes I made, and high time frame framework. Confluence and the rest are automated by Tracilla. All the stacks like the win rate, profit factor, count, balance, drawdown, all of that. You can create a template wherever you want. It can be Notion or Tracilla, which you can fill out every day on the pre-market, during trading, and after. Keep it simple with the data you specifically believe are important for you, and be honest and disciplined and consistent with it. That is a few takes that I have on journaling. I can go over 2 trades that I took. One today, one yesterday. This day I shorted. This day I longed. These are 2 days that I had to switch my bias on both days. On this one specifically, I was looking for a long for a breakout, which didn't happen. But this is what I was looking on. I was looking bullish based on the close on Monday. I wanted the low to be provided above the red line right here, which I did get. Got an S&T here with ES. And this closed through right here. Confirm the long framework. And all I was looking for was my entry signature, which is another auto block higher, which happened right here. That was supposed to be my entry, but since I was working at that time, I missed it. When I came to the market, it was already all the way up here. So I missed the entry. My entry would have been somewhere around here, targeting previous day high for 1 to 2. But I missed it, so I had to force myself not to seek any other trade impulsively. But seeing that the market targeted previous day high and we have failure swings down here, once I saw the market breaking down around this time, this is when YM was all the way down here. It has already flipped and it was very close to the lows, but it was basically consolidating. And since these markets are correlated, I was looking for NASDAQ to catch up to YM and ES. They were already all the way down here below this structure point. And I wanted NASDAQ to catch up. So all I looked for was a change in structure right here. It's an S&T with YM. S&T with YM. Got the high. And it just started breaking down. So once I saw NASDAQ close below this one, this auto block, I saw the market and it was already around here. So I missed that one. It wasn't on the computer. So here I got another continuation signature. And I enter around here. Pull my stop loss above the high, the candle, and I targeted this low. I took half around 1 to 2, and I let the rest go to this low. That was my trade. I initially went along, but I had to change my bias because of the reversal here and the market breaking down, NYM being so bearish, and at the time of entry it started consolidating, but Nasdaq started spending lower. So that means the weakness has switched from YM to Nasdaq and ES. So I took advantage of it, and that was my trade right here. I didn't even see this. I was walking the dog, but I got trailed out. I mean, I got taken out of the position for 1 to 2, and then the rest was at the low. For today, I was looking for a bearish continuation lower based on this framework. I thought this was higher wick based on the change in delivery in the 1 hour. So I was looking for Nasdaq to come to this low today, and I wanted a reversal either in this fair value gap or around the intraday high, which we got initially. But at the open, I think it's right here. No, I think it's right here. See, we got a S&T with ES here, right there. So I was looking for 8 a.m. to close below this signature higher, so it can give me a valid reversal signature, so I can get another order block. Or, well, initially I was looking to enter here in this continuation signature. So we got confirmation, and then I was looking to enter here, but then I was kind of hesitating because this move was pretty long back into the reversal area, or the area of potential reversal. So I kind of waited a little bit, wanted to see market open, see how it would close, if it was gonna break below this structure, and I was gonna look for another entry around here if provided to come to this low. But our market open, it didn't go that way. So as I saw this strong candle close, failure to manipulate this high, given a continuation signature here, close through. This candle didn't come close below this to create a reversal. Instead, it just closed above for continuation signature. So this is where I enter. I'm still in the trade, but aiming for high of day. Looking for a high of day. Entry was like around here. Right here. 1 to 2. Scaled around here. Still in the trade. Just waiting. While YM, now the strength has switched. Now YM stronger than Nasdaq and ES, because it's all the way on the bottom right here. Came all the way down here. So YM, to catch up to the other indices, it has to get stronger. So basically structure, price action is now making higher high, higher low, while Nasdaq still ranging in this area. So yeah, we'll see what happened here. If it's gonna go deeper tracing and take me out break even, or gonna come sweep this low, continue higher. We'll see. Let me see if I can. Do I have anything? No, I don't. Okay, but yeah, this high was forced to switch bias twice. The main points that I look to switch biases in relevant swing points like this one, the 1 hour. Pretty relevant because if it doesn't manipulate this high, then there's no other area where I want to see a reversal around here. So my aim will be the high of day, since we have a S&T with YM here, NASDAQ going below this swing point. So it just gives me more confidence in the trade above, trade higher. So this is it. That's all I got for today.